Alright, quick update on XRP. So it does look like we are coming down to our price target. Now, I am adding this new line in. You know, I don't even know if I mentioned this in the previous one, but this is also another place that we could bounce from. I think I did outline, you know, personally, I don't really think it would be somewhere that would hold. I think that's probably why I didn't draw it. Because, you know, if we do just look at the macro trend for XRP, we do have bounces, we do come down, make lows, we do have lower highs, and then we make new lows. So, you know, we keep on making newer lows after we have these dead cat bounces or fake outs, lower highs, whatever you want to call them, all of the above really. So in my opinion, we are at least coming down to this previous trend line down here at 51. Do bear in mind 54, 55 is a potential place that we can bounce. You know, since we made this 27.5% drop prediction, we have come down like 11%. Obviously that was more to unforeseen news than anything, but you know, do bear in mind we did break out of this this bear flag, or bearish pennant, sorry. So you know, in my opinion, we are still coming down to make new lows. So if we look at the RSI as well, do bear in mind, you know, normally when we do top all the way up here, we do come down to, you know, 35. Yeah, this was the highest, 34 here. We came down to 34 here. On this top, we came down to 36. This one, we just made new lows. And every other time, it just seems like we've gone straight down to 30. So right now, we are still at 42. So that is why, you know, in my opinion, I think that we're at least going to come down to where this green line is and then start breaking out. You know, if we do follow the trajectory of what we've been doing in the past few times, this would probably mean that this would be another lower high. But you know, I'm not necessarily saying that we are going to do that. I am just saying for me to get bullish on this coin at all, even in the short term, I would need to see us start breaking the market structure. And you know, if we look at what's happened in the past year, we have just been making lower highs. If we do zoom out to the weekly, you can see this coin never even returned anywhere near its all-time highs. So personally, I'm not a fan on this coin. I'm not bullish on this coin at all. This was my favorite coin in like my first week of crypto. And then after like, you know, a couple months, I looked at other altcoins, I read the XRP white paper, and you know, I'm no longer a fan of this coin. So it is what it is. You know, I am a trader, so I do have a saying: don't love it, don't hate it, trade it. So I don't love or hate XRP. I'm not a fan of it, but you know, if the opportunity arises for me to long this coin and potentially make some money in the short term, I would definitely do that. So right now, I don't see that. Don't see, you know, anywhere that we could really long. I could probably say, you know, if we do start heading down, you know, this is basically a nice short, but you know, I believe the time to short was when we said that we would break out of this trend line. So you know, personally, I said if you're gonna short or you're gonna be selling or whatever you want to do, probably do it when we do break out of this trend line and do close a daily. So you know, this time was really the time to be shorting. I don't think halfway down the breakdown is probably the best time to short, but you know, if Bitcoin does keep on crashing, then XRP is probably going to crash even worse. So I mean, we can see Bitcoin had a huge dump today, total crypto market cap had a huge dump today, dollars regaining strength. So you know, all in all, while all of these signals are firing, I just don't think it is a good time to buy altcoins. And you know, obviously XRP falls under that category. So if we do wrap up the video with the Bitcoin dominance, like I've said in my past few videos, I mean, while we are above the 200-day moving average, I am bearish on altcoins priced against Bitcoin. So really nothing else to say. That is basically all I've got for you today for the XRP price. Do bear in mind, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.